Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at linear relationships in multiple forms when we're given a word problem. And so here we have situation A, and that's a movie club and it's charging $4.50 for a membership, and then $4 per movie attended. And so we want to be able to represent this situation with an equation and with a table, and then match it to the graph that's given to us. So as I'm reading this, I see that this $4.50 membership, I only pay that one time. That is a one-time payment. And then this $4 per movie, well, that's the rate it's changing every time I add on a movie. So every movie I add $4 more. So that's our rate of change, which we also know is our slope. So if I'm able to identify those things just by really thinking about what's happening in the story problem, then I can write that into an equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m is our rate of change in our slope, and b is our y-intercept, or our initial value. And so our rate of change or slope we determined was 4. So y equals 4 times x, which in this case is the number of movies, plus that $4.50 membership fee that I have to pay. So here's our equation, y equals 4x plus 450. And we want to be able to represent that with a table. So I'm going to label my table x and y, where x is the number of movies and y is the money spent. So if I have purchased 0 movies, I don't have to pay any of those $4 per movie yet. I still have to pay that $4.50 membership fee, which this point itself, when x is 0, remember that's our y-intercept, and that matches the equation that we wrote. If I buy 1 movie, well, I've already spent my $4.50 for my membership, and now I'm spending $4 more, so I have spent $8.50, because it's increasing by $4 every time I increase movies by 1. And so if I have bought 2 movies, I'm adding on another $4. So now I have spent $12.50. 8 of that was spent on movies, and then $4.50 of it was the membership fee. 3 movies, again, $4 more. So now I have spent $16.50. And for a 4th movie, I tack on $4 more, and that is $20.50. So now that we're able to represent the verbal scenario in an equation, also in a table, now we want to go see if we can match it with one of the graphs that we were given. So take a moment, look through the graphs, and pause, and then in a moment we'll see which graph it is. All right, guys. Well, when you get to graph number 3, notice that our y-intercept is right here at $4.50. That represents our b. And each time, we're going up by $4 for each one on the x. So our x-axis is the number of movies, and our y-axis is the money spent, and this matches. So when we go back, situation 3 matches story problem A. All right, thanks, guys.